Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Gnosis Safe on Polygon for safe transactions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Gnosis Safe on Polygon, start by navigating to the Gnosis Safe website. Once on the home page, locate and click on the Launch App button. After the app loads, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Select your preferred wallet option from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Once connected, you'll see a dashboard displaying your existing safes or an option to create a new one. To create a new safe, click on the Create button. Enter a name for your safe and configure the desired settings. Next, choose the appropriate network, ensuring you select Polygon. Once your settings are configured, click on Create Safe. You'll need to establish the ownership structure for your safe. Add the addresses of the owners who will have access to the safe. Specify the number of signatures required to execute transactions. Once finalized, click on Confirm to create your safe. After your safe is created, navigate back to the dashboard. Select your newly created safe to proceed. Now, you need to authorize the safe for transactions on Polygon. Look for the Settings option within your safe. From the Settings menu, find the Network section. Make sure Polygon is selected as the active network. This step ensures that all future transactions are conducted on Polygon. Next, head over to the Token Management section. Here, you can add or manage tokens that will be transacted through your safe. To authorize a specific token, click on Add Token. Search for the token you wish to include in your safe. Once found, select the token and click on Add Token to authorize it. Repeat this process for any additional tokens you wish to include. After you've added all desired tokens, return to the main dashboard. You are now ready to initiate safe transactions on the Polygon network. When ready, click on the Send button to initiate a transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.